Hikvision's Security Series thermal cameras, the best solution for precise detection in perimeter protection. With thermal imaging, when a target enters a monitor perimeter, an alarm can be triggered and pushed to the back end, giving security personnel what they need to protect people and property. And the process is hardly affected by lighting and weather conditions. Security Series thermal cameras track moving targets across large expanses and support real-time alarms and event notifications. Their extended detection ranges enable monitoring with a smaller number of devices when compared against conventional security systems. Users enjoy a reduction in installation management and maintenance costs. Embedded with deep learning algorithms, Hikvision Security Series thermal cameras distinguish humans and vehicles from other objects. This largely reduces false alarms caused by scurrying animals, moving leaves, or other irrelevant objects, making alarms more accurate. The Performance Series thermal cameras have been specifically designed for short-range detection, so they are suited best for SMB market, such as residential areas and office buildings. The Pro Series thermal cameras are tailored for remote detection in critical infrastructures, providing highly accurate and efficient perimeter protection, such as airports, mines, and power substations.